Good morning. It's me, Mikey fucking Pipes. Oh, it's gonna be a good video. It's gonna be a good video. Just leaving the sheriff's office in Palm Beach County in Delray Beach. Oh, it's gonna be a good video. All I could say, hacks bring me fucking stacks. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today is Monday, December 12th, 2022. A little after 10 o'clock in the morning. And let me tell you something. After the response that I got on Friday's video on this Uncensored channel, you know, the one right up there, I was like, you know what? Fuck it. Let's go all in. And I'm going balls in. I'm going balls deep. Ask your sister what I'm talking about. Wow. I got such an amazing response and several personal emails from the community saying, Mikey Pipes, if you come to Southern Florida near Boca or Delray Beach, Palm Beach, I will immediately start working for you. And let me tell you something. A handful of people reached out to me and said the same exact thing. I'm like, oh my God. I even had one person offer to drive, Ariel, to drive from New Jersey with whatever system I wanted in the trunk of his pickup, of his truck, to replace that piece of shit gris that this guy hacked together. Guys, I feel so blessed. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So I made an executive decision that I'm going to make it a goal by the end of the first quarter of 2023 that me, Mikey fucking Pipes, aka Michael Andrew Dyack, we're going to get licensed in the state of Florida for air conditioning. Now, I did some research. We have a couple different classes of air conditioning. You have air conditioning class A, B, and C. Air conditioning class A gives you basically unlimited for air conditioning and refrigeration. Air conditioning class B gives you can work up to 25 tons. And class C, it's a little bit of gray area. I think you can just like repair them. Service them. You can't like install equipment of that size and caliber. So I went online to myfloridalicense.com, submitted my New York State licensure and my South Carolina licensure to the website. I paid a fee, submitted my copy of my credit report. You know, Mikey Pipes got fucking great credit. We're talking about 800 plus, baby. That's right, baby. Submitted that. And if you don't have great credit, have no fear. You're not exempt. Right? You're not exempt from being licensed. All you got to do is take a credit consulting class. Right? Because they don't want, bums, hacks, working and getting licensed, Because if you're not fiscally, financially responsible, well, be educated. Learn something new every fucking day. And I just left the Palm Beach Sheriff's Station, the branch in Delray Beach, to get fingerprinted. Yep. You got to submit, if you have any criminal background, you submit that online, which I did, because I was a bad boy 20 plus years ago. I got my share of felonies. And got fingerprinted. Good to go. Good to go. So now it's going to wait. Should be 3 to 5 days for the Department of Licensing and Regulation to get back to me. And hopefully I'll be a registered air conditioning Class B contractor in the state of Florida. And that's going to be fucking tits. Want to know why? So I can take out this piece of shit install right? And I only take out this piece of shit install, right? Who the fuck does this? Come on, man. Look at this shit. Spray foam, right? But, because I'm putting in a pool here, we're gonna take out this train, XR14, man. She's old. She's older. She's old like your granny. She's from 2008, sorry. All right, we're gonna take this out. We're gonna put that over there behind the bushes. I'm gonna put a fence in right there. I'm gonna put a pool in here. Because I'm a fucking Pisces, and Pisces like the water. So stay tuned, motherfuckers. Because Mikey Pipes is coming to Central and Southern Florida. We're gonna make some moves. And then I go visit your sister.
If you're not calling Mikey Pipes, you're getting screwed.
There you go.